To solve a radicate, which is what we're doing, that's what an equation is, we need to isolate the radicals. So we need to get the radical by itself. To do that, we'll have to subtract the 7 from both sides. By doing that, I get radical a plus 5 equals 5. Now, to get rid of the radical, we do what's called squaring. So I'm going to square both sides. All that does is eliminate the radical. So now we have a plus 5 equals 25. And to finish solving this, all I need to do is subtract the 5 to get a by itself, and I get my answer of 20. So when the radicate is already by itself, I'm going to square both sides. Square both sides. And that gets rid of the radical, so it's just k plus 1 on the left. But on the right side, I get a FOIL problem. So k minus 1 times k minus 1, which I multiply out, which will be k squared, multiplying k is negative k, negative k1, and then negative 1 times 1 is positive 1. So this gives me k plus 1 equals k squared minus 2k plus 1. So if I move my minus 1 over and minus my k, minus 1 and minus k, I end up with 0 on one side, and I get k squared minus 3k on the other. And now what I have to do is factor and make each factor equal to 0. So I'm going to put the 0 over here, and so k equals 0 and k equals 3 are my two answers.